Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Sheffield.
Today we will take a 10-minute test.
Yeah, this is great. I love tests. I studied real hard last night.
Gentlemen, enough of this. Stop this immediately.
Yes,
Mr.
Uncle
Sheffield.
James.
And clean up this mess as well. Eh?
Don't worry about it, Nathan. Anyway, the test will be 10 minutes long, no bathroom breaks or water breaks during that time, so now is the best time to use the bathroom. Yes?
May I use the bathroom?
Yes, but hurry back soon, the test is about to start. Now then, as I was saying, we
Fooled Mr. Sheffield. I'm going to save everyone from this stupid test. I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Okay, now I need to be as quiet as possible, so I can pull this off correctly while no one is watching. Okay, I'm in position. Now it's time to save everyone. Time to pull this thing on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Right. I want everyone to remember what we did in the drill. Calmly leave your seats and file up in a straight line.
Oh no. I hear Mr. Sheffield in my class lining up to evacuate. I better make a run for it.
Vyondia Elementary School on fire.